Welcome to Informatik Lab. In this video, I'll walk you through my home lab setup for CCNA and CCNP practice using real Cisco routing, switching, and wireless equipment. Let's take a look at the gear and how all fits together. For this home lab, I'm using real enterprise and prosumer networking equipment to simulate production environments. The setup includes two Cisco 2800 series router, a Cisco Catalyst 2560G 24-port switch with a PoE, a Cisco Catalyst 2950 24-port switch, a Cisco 2500 series wireless controller, a Cisco wireless access point, and a UniFi access point. This combination allows me to practice routing, switching, VLANs, PoE, and wireless configurations. That's my home lab setup for hands-on networking practice. If you found this useful, support the channel by liking the videos, sharing it, and subscribing for more real-world labs and tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.